Severe thunderstorm watch.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 546, effective until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
546.
This watch includes the following county: Litchfield, Connecticut, and the following counties in New York: Dutchess, Orange, and Putnam.
Oh.
Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
What was that?
Issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Sullivan County in central New York, northeastern Pike County in northeastern Pennsylvania, until 1 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:32 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Glens Bay, or 9 miles northwest of Port Jervis, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-sized hail. Source: radar indicated.
Who's trying to bleed through?
Intact. Hail damage to vehicles is expected.
I hear that crossfade.
Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
Also, I called that warning.
Locations impacted include Chihuahua, Highland Lake, Mill Rift, Glens Bay, Montague Valley Wildlife Area, Twin Lakes, Pressburg, and Berryville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Sullivan, New York. The National Weather...
I heard that crossfade in the background. Was that WXL38 from Binghamton?
National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Orange County in southeastern New York until 1:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Orange County.
12:39 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located over Glens Bay, or 7 miles northwest of Matamoros, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-sized hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Port Jervis around 1:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Huguenot around 1:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Cudbackville around 1:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Howells and Otisville around 1:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Orange, New York. The National Weather Service in Northeast has issued a flash flood warning for South Central Hampton County in western Massachusetts until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Well, this came out of nowhere.
At 1:29 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Springfield, Chicopee, Westfield, Holyoke, Agawam, West Springfield, Ludlow, Longmeadow, East Longmeadow, Wilbraham, Southwood, and Hampton. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles County in western Massachusetts until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Time.
Again?
At 1:41 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain. Torrential rainfall over the vulnerable Springfield metro area will result in flash flooding. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly, especially in the vulnerable Springfield metro area. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding.
What?
Thunderstorms producing flash flooding.
Life-threatening already?
Source, radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Springfield, Chicopee, Agawam, and West Springfield. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. The National Weather Service in Norton has issued a flash flood warning.
I'm guessing that this is damage threat considerable? Okay, I was literally about to say, didn't you just issue a flash flood warning for Hampton County? But never mind, that one was observed. Oh, what the? Okay.
Northeastern Greene County in east central New York until 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:43 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles southeast of Westerlo, or 14 miles southwest of Delmar, moving northeast at 2 miles per hour.
Oh man.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
Jeez.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ravina, Furbush, Selkirk, Coemmons Hollow, South Albany, Greenville Center, Selkirk Yards, Spawn Hollow, South Westerlo,
Why didn't you go up?
Caledon's Corners, Becker's Corners, Result, Kiefer's Corners, Buellton, Sanford's Corners, Climax, Bethlehem Heights, and Henry Croix. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in New York, Albany, and Greene.
Oh, my county? Even better.
The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Ulster County in east central New York until 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:06 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Cohonson, or near Ellenville, moving northeast at 5 miles per hour.
5?
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Tilson, High Falls, Cohonson, Ola Bridge, Rosendale, Marbletown, Port Benton, Lefevre Falls, Maple Hill, Atwood, Liebhardt, Fantonkill, Hickory Bush, Alligerville, Lake Minnewaska, Stone Ridge, Granite, Creeklux, Mombacus, and Rosendale Village. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Ulster, New York. The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a severe thunderstorm warning. The National Weather Service in Norton has issued a flash flood
Okay.
Central Franklin County in western Massachusetts.
We got two different alerts at the same time.
Moving northeast at 5 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin. Lake Katrine, Stottsburg, Rosendale, Ellerslie, Lefebvre Falls, Maple Hill, Dutchess County Fairgrounds, Hickory Bush, Renacliff, Hillside, Creeklux, Lincoln Park, St. Remy, Rosendale Village, Bloomington, and Calip's Corners. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Enemy bringing there are hundreds of low-water crossings which are potentially dangerous in heavy rain. Do not attempt to cross flooded roads. Find an alternate route. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement. The National...
Okay, that was unusual. That was actually a first for me. I never had two different alerts going through at the same time. So WF48 had a flash flood warning for Hampshire, and WXL37 had an SVR for Dutchess and Ulster. So that was pretty cool. What the heck?
Severe thunderstorm watch number 546 remains in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time and now includes the following county: Ulster, New York.
Oh!
Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area.
They expanded the
While
SVA.
severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
I was wondering what that was.
The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Dutchess County in east central New York until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:43 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Stottsburg or near Ronnebecke, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ronnebecke, Pine Plains, Red Hook, Stensonville, Stottsburg, Bethel, Milan, Ellerslie, Coquetown, Norrie Heights, Dutchess County Fairgrounds, Renacliff, DeWitt Mills, Attlebury, Fraley's, Pleasant Plains, Bengal, Jackson Corners, Amyville, and Ways Corners. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Dutchess, New York,